pound?
Which one po? It look like more po now one those big nice mangoes. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha
And
and guys, we're heading on the road. It's quite late this evening. The 4 o'clock people, and the time hot people are walking and they have umbrella. That's how hot it is. Hot bad, right? But we're going to groceries, so coming along with us as usual today. We are going nowhere else. We're not about to go market. We're not past market.
Market not too far off the radar, so that can go.
So guys, you guys might come to market, but we have no cash. People go market.
Yeah, I have to draw some cash today.
Oh, so we might go market. Go pick up my baby girl aloe vera plant. I wanted to buy some stuff for Araya's birthday. You know, I work next week, so Saturday.
No.
So it's not working next Saturday, so more likely we can go pick up some stuff next Saturday. So yes guys, so come along with us. We are going to the market and then to buy groceries. Carry it.
No, come everybody.
Every single store. Yes, so guys, we're at the market. Yes, we're going for the aloe vera plant. That's what we're going for. Nothing more, nothing less. We usually buy the aloe vera. Market buy. But the market MTB. What may I see aloe vera be?
Hello.
On the outside. Oh, what's the girl? Yes. How much are these? You can have been up here. You see this way? Alright, iguana. Leo, what are those? Iguana are big. I don't know if I the baby iguana then. They look big. That's what I ask. I will for them in a bit. You don't see? A long time I not come out of the door, look there.
You want to see like a long time to come out of the door? Should I have more, baby? You mean you don't know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
No, but Leo,
9, 10, 11.
them bends so better we put in the sun then dry. I forgot to use them.
This one, some more hurt. Okay, this one.
Alright, how much that one?
$12.
Oh, a melon that? Baby, you want to look at me now? I'll go.
You cut this and sell, please. It doesn't matter if it cut. This will grow back.
No. Up here, here, me buy it and put it now. Oh no, mama, get off the people's chair. But buy the bigger one.
Come, off the chair.
Sweet girl, off the chair. Carry on, don't follow. Those mangoes looks really good.
Lovely. How much for the mango then?
$4 per pound.
$4 per pound. What you got, 1 pound?
Which one po? You look like more the powder one, those big nice mangoes. Don't? So baby?
Come. This way.
Caroline, remember what mommy told you when you're crossing the road, you look like right and you look. You can't be running like that, alright? It's dangerous.
You have to find the source. You can take out these small ones and plant them in another pot.
Well, we have a pot. There'll be an extra pot because we pot the aloe vera soon done, you know? So we can transplant them.
Which one you want?
Give me the big one.
Yeah, that one.
Alright, come take it up to me.
Come, baby.
Baby, well,
Come. This is this. But they look pretty. Lovely melon.
Scratch in my back.
Here, scratch.
Come this way now.
You want scratch too? Where's everyone? You don't want soap? I don't want soap.
I think it's finished now.
Done,
That's the last
done?
one we have.
Yeah, we have the last one, but
The last one open. What we need to buy?
last one can last you 1 month.
No, baby. We need to buy so.
You see money? $30. Too expensive, me.
Price to beat.
The price to pay is $30. When if you stop, abandon all soap and use just one.
It's never bad enough.
Where's the one not bad?
Only about it. One something.
All this and she point at mommy.
No, point with the camera.
Yeah. Can't really
My father instruction.
No, pound on mommy.
No, point it with the camera. This is point with the camera.
Or mommy.
Hey, mother, yes, sir. No, alright. Let Araya.
Thank you.
Carol,
Alright, no more party. Carol, the camera. Cara, I meant that you should point the camera at mommy like this. Not your fingers, Caro.
No, my finger.
No, just the camera. Alright?
Just you, mommy.
Oh, can I get a kiss?
Mwah.
Oh, thank you.
What do you want to eat?
Alright, so guys, we just take up a few things thus far. Yes, they said they want water, so probably we
Hot some.
have to go bust one. You had? Yeah, man, that can't drink. The other No, like no. They said that they want water to drink. They said that would hurt them tummy. Thanks. That will hurt their bellies. I think.
You guys want water?
Yeah.
So guys, we just went and took up our usual grocery items, nothing out of the ordinary. Guys, we must apologize though for the the short nature of this vlog, the shortness of this vlog. We'll make it up to you next time, we promise. Until next time, bye guys.